Hello WordPress website creators. In this video we are going to set up this modern and elegant website for AI agency or AI technology services. We have three layouts with the theme that we are going to use and overview in this video. All these are very modern and uniquely designed, we can say. So perfect match for AI agency website, we can say. Okay, so the theme is AI Techify, and this is a dedicated theme for AI agency and technology services. The theme is actually new and it came into existence 5 months back, and we can expect more layouts with the theme. And it is available at themeforest.net through the video description link. You just need to spend $49. But yes, you need to watch this complete video before you decide about this theme, because you have hundreds of themes on this channel to choose and compare. So you have to choose the best one to match your website requirement. Okay, so I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and it is using the default 2025 WordPress theme. As of now, I'm using this cPanel based hosting plan, and I have the theme pack as well to start the installation. To install the theme, we have to follow a simple process, but it should be exact. So I'm going to add new theme here under appearance, and I'll upload the theme file. So in the theme file, what I got, the installable theme file is here, the plugin and the licensing and doc part. So we have to use this one, and it is just 1.7 MB in size. So you can simply assume how well it is actually optimized. So we have to choose the same file, and here it is. Select this, install now. It will hardly take few seconds. Yes, it is installed. So we can go to the theme page just to check the details. So here it is. This is very first version, and we can activate this theme now. Upon activation, we have this alert to install certain plugins, and I can see Elementor is the page builder that has been used. One click demo import is here. This is AI Techfy plugin. So this is the core plugin from the theme developer itself. The contact form 7 as usual, then bottom market, the MailChimp for WooCommerce for email subscription, and the shop engine for Elementor WooCommerce builder, all in one WooCommerce solution. So this is additional thing to start e-commerce website using this theme. So I am selecting all, selecting install, clicking on apply to install all listed 7 plugins, so that we may get the optimal feature with the theme for the website. Okay, nice. So all plugins have been successfully installed. So it is very important to install all plugins without any error or without any trouble. We can come back to the plugin installer screen now, and this time I'll select all again to activate all the installed plugins. So it is a very simple process for installing the WordPress themes. But yes, if you are new with the WordPress, you have to follow the exact steps so that your website should be error free, perfect. So we have this alert that we need to install the WooCommerce. So shop engine is installed, and that requires WooCommerce as well. So we can install the WooCommerce since we are exploring the optimal feature. So we can install the WooCommerce and activating the WooCommerce as well. Taking a while, but yes, these are important things that. Okay, so we are here at the setup wizard of WooCommerce. So we can set up this store. I'm going with the default setups, and I'm not going to install any of these plugins while installing the WooCommerce. So we may install any of these plugins whenever we may need. Okay, so now WooCommerce is also installed. All plugins has been installed. The theme itself is here, and I can see the AI Techfy option is here. Some new additional navigations that we can explore, and the website with the theme and all set of plugins is looking like this now. Okay, so this is like this, but not showing any content. So in the next step, we definitely import the demo content to make a target website like any of these 3 options we have. And with this one-click demo import, we can import the demo data. Also be green here like WordPress versions, the language, the memory limit, and you can see all green here. And if somehow it is showing red for your installation, go to the cPanel or the control panel that you are using for your hosting and adjust the parameters. So I have already created multiple videos how to increase the PHP values and all, so that the theme requirements should be met before you install a theme. So it is very important that you have to use WordPress optimized hosting plans. You can simply get a WordPress optimized hosting plan at WP Themes website, and you'll find all big hosting providers there in the hosting tab. So just explore the links given in the video description. Okay, now we may proceed for importing demo content. I am clicking import demo data, and here we can proceed. So it may take 3 to 10 minutes. Okay, we are fine. Okay, so demo content import processes begin now, and we can check the progress. In fact, the working status here in the media tab, in another media library, in another tab. So if you are getting images, it means the demo import is going fine, and you just need to wait here without disturbing the process. And meanwhile, the demo is being imported. I must tell you, you'll find in links during the video. So on the top of this video, on the screen, in the video playing screen, and you'll find relevant themes so that you may choose among the good themes for your website projects. Another, you'll find a quiz below the video player on your screen, and you may participate in the quiz. When you are answering correct or whatever you are answering, just write in the comment section of this video and claim a free enhancement for your website at your iCreate program. You just need to join the iCreate program and claim your takeaway, right? And I must tell you another important thing. If you are planning a HD monitor for your working, so PC monitor, so you'll get a best deal here at the Flipkart through the video description link again. So you'll find the link in the video. And I'm using this Essential monitor. This video has been recorded on the Samsung Essential Monitor S3, and you can simply buy this at Flipkart. Either you can choose the 22, 24 or 27 inches, whatever is your requirement. You'll get 50% discount on this Essential monitor. It is a HD monitor, so you will find all the good features with this. Like this is full HD LED backlit IPS panel with D sub HDMI ports and all. So and response time is 100 hertz refresh rate. So the refresh rate is 100 hertz, so it is enough for day-to-day working, and you'll find a very good picture quality with the monitor that you'll buy here at the Samsung S3 monitor, we can say. This is Essential series, and you'll find the link in the video. Okay, so let us come back to the demo import screen, and the demo import process is still going on, and I can check the media library again in another tab. Just make sure you are opening the media library in another tab, and the image import is going on. So the main part is image, and it takes time. Of course, the images are in HD and high quality images are here, so it will take time. It is connected to developer server, in fact, to bring all the stuffs at your installation. Okay, great. So we can wait here further. And I'm sure you are aware about the iCreate program. Links have been given in the description. Just join the program, take all the benefits for your WordPress website, and it is going to be free when you are buying the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net. So Aitechfy is a dedicated theme for AI agency and technology services. And in the $49 that you are going to spend at themeforest.net, you get the quality checked by Envato, the future updates for this theme. So all future updates and 6 months support from the theme developer, Theme Xavier. Okay. So all the benefits are for you. You can check all the details through the link and make sure you are buying through the description link so that you may join the iCreate program for free. Okay. So now it is still going on and I can check the increment here. So 71 media items was there and now it is 101. So it is still moving on and the number of images are increasing here. And after around 4 minutes, I can see the number of media items is 193. So it is continuously increasing and the demo import process is still going on. So you can assume, you can expect the same time for your installation as well, because the media items are multiple and when you are using a WordPress optimized hosting plan, it will take almost same time. So 4 minutes is already gone, 6 minutes is going on. Okay, so now I reached here at the import complete message and it is simply saying congrats, your demo was imported successfully. Now you can begin editing your site. And if we check the number of media items now, it is finally 219. So it is good and I'm eager to check my website and it is here. So I chosen the homepage too for my homepage and it is perfectly loaded here and it has all the great layouts and design and styles. So I got all the stops and it is perfect for moving forward to customize the content and it can be launched, the website can be launched soon, right? So I'm happy to see all this and now I'll show you the backend again, what we got in this installation. So Aitechfy is the panel where we can explore here the theme documentation and theme support links. Import demo data already used. In the templates, we have multiple templates, I mean the header and footer that can be edited using Elementor, what had been used in the theme and the layout. Mega menu option gives us option to create mega menu, but it is not being used. In the next navigation, only the unique things, I mean the additional things that we got here. Aitechfy. So this is theme panel and in the theme panel we have option to choose headers. In the general setting we can place our logo and the preloader in fact. So typography option and the breadcrumbs and the color panel, color control panel and the error page, footer options and all. So it is very simple. Next we have WooCommerce, just in case if you are planning to launch an e-commerce website, Shop Engine and WooCommerce is here. So Shop Engine is a very advanced thing that you can use with the WooCommerce that gives you additional features to enable the things like quick view, the smart switches, the color currency switcher and the press sale countdown and all settings you can do from this single screen and it is very helpful in enhancing the WooCommerce store sale. Next we have the Envato market and simple things. So it is all like default WordPress things. And when finally you are deciding, you are proceeding to edit the content, you can simply open the page that you want to edit and you can start editing with Elementor page builder. So Elementor is here and you can start editing the content using the Elementor options. So just keep in mind when you are changing the image on the page, you have to use the same dimension of image and when you are targeting text, just use the same length of text. These things are going to be fine and you can simply edit the content using the Elementor page builder. And moreover, if you are creating an AI technology website, you are sure a technical person. If not, don't worry, we are here to help you. Simply reach us on the live chat at our iCreate program and all the Support is going to be free. You just need to buy the theme at themeforest.net through the video description link, and you will be fine to launch your website with the theme. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your dream WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Don't miss to subscribe the channel and participate in the quiz.